Introducing Site Blueprints, your new secret weapon for launching WordPress sites faster, smarter, and with zero hassle. Creating your first blueprint is easy. Head to your team dashboard, click on Site Blueprints, then hit New Blueprint. Start by giving it a name and a short description. Now, add the plugins you want pre-installed. For free plugins, simply search by name or slug, click the plus icon to add and the bin icon to remove. Want to add a premium plugin? Just paste the direct, public download URL of the zip file and give it a name, and it's done. Next, choose the theme to be installed and activated. For free themes, search by name or slug, and it'll be installed automatically. For premium themes, just like plugins, paste the public zip file URL. FlyWP handles the rest. You can add your default user accounts. For each user, set a username, password, and role. Perfect for preloading client or team access. Need to import content? Upload a WXR file and FlyWP will bring in all your posts, pages, media, and more. Great for cloning starter content or migrating from another site. And for power users, you can add a bash script that runs automatically after deployment. This gives you unlimited customization using WP-CLI, like installing extra plugins, updating settings, or even creating new pages, all from the site root. And that's it, your custom blueprint is ready to go. Now, when you create a new site, just select a blueprint during setup. FlyWP takes care of the rest, installing, configuring, and customizing everything for you. It's fast, it's consistent, and it's built to save you hours of manual setup. No more repetitive installs, no more manual errors, no more wasted time. Want to learn more? Check out our documentation for full step-by-step guidance anytime. Start building smarter with site blueprints on FlyWP and launch your next site in just a few clicks.